बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.
Hi, Twinnie. Happy birthday to you. I know that we have fallen apart, but I'm always there for you no matter what. And I know the things are not the same now, but no, okay, but don't worry. We will definitely meet after this lockdown and we will sort out everything. And I hope that you have an amazing day today. Happy birthday. Have fun घर पे बैठे बैठे.
Hey Sadia, many happy returns of the day. God bless you, stay blessed and party hard.
Just a moment ago, I thought about you and my heart was filled with gratitude. So before another moment goes by, I wanted to say, we are not perfect friends. We are completely opposite, but at the same time, one and the same. And that is what makes us us. We both are stubborn, but that just makes me more of a sister that I never had, but always wanted. We never needed much to do. Our friendship just happened. We just got connected so easily, but little did I knew how to maintain a friendship. I made new friends, but they weren't you. And I think I looked for a bit of you in every person I met. You better not die. Not before me before you. But anyways, let's come to the point. I wanted to say thank you for listening my talks over and over again, for loving me even when I cry, and most importantly, for being the same girl even after my thousands of mistakes. For all the time I pushed you away, you pull me back. Thank you. I can't wait for the day to tell my kids about you, about our stories. I hope she, he, them find a friend like you, like us, like you, like me, and like Fizu.
Listen, I don't care, okay? It's very hot outside, okay? It's very hot. Even the locusts are coming now. Even the locusts are coming. Plus this lockdown. What do you have to say?
Seriously, Asadi?
What?
It's Sadia's birthday.
Oh yeah. Still locusts are coming.
Okay. Hi Sadia. Wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you with everything, whatever that you want. मैं ये वीडियो पहले बना चुकी हूँ. मैंने ये वीडियो पे बहुत कुछ बोला which is very emotional. So I just have to delete that video because वो बहुत ही different way में चला गया था. But yeah, I just remember those days when we are together, जब हम एक साथ रहते थे. हम लोगों ने हमेशा हर चीज़ एक दूसरे से शेयर की है. आप हमेशा मेरे बुरे वक्त में मेरा साथ देते आए हो और मुझे ये भी पता है कि मैं आज भी अगर मुझे कुछ प्रॉब्लम होगी तो आप हमेशा मेरा साथ दोगे. इन बिटवीन जो भी हुआ था हमारे फ्रेंडशिप के बीच में बिकॉज ऑफ थर्ड पर्सन, बिकॉज ऑफ एनीवन, जस्ट फॉरगेट अबाउट दैट. आई डोंट केयर कितने लोग आएंगे कितने लोग जाएंगे. फॉर मी you will be always, you are not my friend, you're like my family. I always love you and yeah, that's it. I love you.
Hi Sadia, a very happy birthday to you. You see, time just flows, right? So now you're going to just turn 20. So it's been 20 years of your life. I think you were just 8 or 9 years old when I first met you. You were so tiny, a little fluffy, but very cute. I still remember when I had asked you the question, Sadia, why are you so cute? And the innocent answer that you had given me, I still remember that because my Abba and Ammi are cute. That was like, it has really impressed me, let me tell you. you were very shy. I still remember, you were not a very much open girl. And slowly and steadily, you came closer to me. We became very close. I still remember your love for Barbie. You had collection of them, and you just love playing with them. I still remember that. The most surprising thing which happened was you wanted to study with me. So you knew that I was very strict, especially you saw how I was taking Asia's tuition and all. But still you had that courage, and I can say the guts ki whatever it is, I'll study with her. From Shweta auntie to Shweta didi to Shwets, it's like from becoming just you were my student, then we became friends, and finally now you call me Shwets. It feels so nice, and young also, let me tell you. But yes, this day is all about you, my dear.
Sadia, wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you.
Happy birthday, dear. I love you.
Happy birthday, Sadia. I am so proud of you, and I hope that you have a fantastic lockdown birthday, and I hope that you get everything that you deserve and more. I hope that God always keeps you protected, and may His blessings always be upon you. I hope that you make your parents proud, and I hope that you work hard towards your goals, and I hope you achieve every goal that you set for yourself. This lockdown birthday is a tough one, but I hope that everybody makes you feel special, because you are, and I hope that you get lots of gifts and lots of wishes, and we shall celebrate when I come back to India. I don't know when that will be, but hopefully soon. And I sincerely hope that God always keeps you protected and in His shelter. Say goodbye to your teens, and say hello to a brand new chapter in your life. I love you. Happy birthday. Mwah.
It's very hot outside, okay? It's very hot.
Hello Sadia, happy birthday. This is just how I look naturally, like when I haven't taken a shower for 5 days. This is the look. Just me being in my napkin or whatever. But anyway, this isn't about me. So I hope you have the best day and the best year ahead, because you deserve it. And I'm sorry for everything that I've said or done in the past that might have hurt you for that moment or even later on. And I want you to just enjoy yourself, because you deserve it, and you've grown to become a wonderful woman, and no one could have asked for better. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sadia. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Sadia ji. I love you. I miss you so much.
Happy birthday, John. May Allah bless you and all your wishes come true.
फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, एक हजारों में मेरी बहना है सारी.
सादिया, इट्स योर बर्थडे, और मैं इतनी तैयार हुई हूँ ये वीडियो बनाने के लिए, जस्ट टू विश यू माय डार्लिंग. यू आर अ बिग गर्ल नाउ, एंड times are changing, scary times, but still don't be disheartened. We will party very soon, and wishing you loads of love, luck. Have a beautiful year ahead. मैं टेरेस पे आई हूँ and the sun setting, it's beautiful lighting. Enjoy, my girl. Love you.
Even the locusts are coming.
Sadia. I cannot really do videos. Many happy returns of the day, Sadia. I hope you are having a good time. Let's party hard tonight. See you. Bye.
Happy birthday, dear Sadia. Happy birthday to you.
बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Dear Sadia, happy birthday to you.
You're a young girl now. You're 21.
Okay, Sadia, so enjoy, huh?
Enjoy,
Okay,
beta.
bye.
God
Bye,
bless you,
beta.
darling.
Hey Sadia, wish you a very happy birthday. Hope you have an amazing day and a year ahead. And hopefully we'll get to party together once all this gets over. But you have an amazing day and enjoy. Love you.
Happy birthday, Sadia. May God bless you, dear. Have a superb year ahead.
Happy birthday, Sadia Didi.
Bye.
Happy birthday. Bye bye.
Happy birthday, darling Sadia. Wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you with much more than what you desire. All the blessings from our side. Love you, beta.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू जी. केक शेक है तो फिर बुलाओ जी. ऐसे ही तुम बुढ़े होते रहोगे, हमको उससे क्या मतलब बताओ जी.
Happy birthday, Sadia. May God bless you, dear. Have a superb year ahead.
Sadia Didi.
Happy birthday, Sadia.
Hi Sadia, wish you a very happy birthday. Many more to come.
Leave your teenage behind and get into a new chapter of life.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye. I just fell in love when I first met you because I didn't know, the energy which you were carrying, the charm in you, the beauty in you. I'm talking about the internal beauty. It was just amazing. I know past 20 years of your life, you had a lot of up and downs. Let me tell you very frankly, I've seen you going through those up and downs, but I've also seen you dealing with the situation so patiently, so lovingly, and so compassionately. I really respect that aspect of yours very much. Sometimes I really feel that I should be like her, when it comes to a lot of compassion and love. So that is something you have taught me. So you grew up, you went to college, your confidence increased. I just saw, you're growing, your qualities in you were just growing. And one fine day you also came to me and you told me that, I did some teaching work for my colleagues at college and all. And I was like, wow, this girl has got that quality also. I mean, if I, sit and list down the qualities which you have got, it's like so much more. And I have also seen you how you deal with your friends and how you show that caring and love and compassion to everybody, my dear. You have grown to be a very strong girl who is now very much compassionate, who has the determination to decide what she wants in her life. She knows that. She knows how to go about in her life. And that is such a wonderful thing. And besides, being a girl, there is an advantage because we mature much faster. The understanding level is much better. So your understanding level is hats off, superb. Let me tell you, the word is too less to describe, but yes, it's excellent. And let me tell you, I'm really very proud of you, my dear. And may you be blessed with lots of happiness, joy, compassion, love, good relationship, good friends, lot of encouraging friends, and may you be an inspiration for lot many people. May you be blessed with lots of abundance, prosperity, and whatever your heart desires. And I'm so confident that you will be taking all the right decisions in your life, most of it at least, and you take it with a lot of compassion, as I said earlier. So that is the best quality you have got within you, and please maintain that. And all the best for your future, for your career. Our beautiful Sadia, you are truly beautiful, not only from outside, but yes, I would say from inside also. So have a wonderful birthday, my dear. Enjoy every moment. Your star month starts now, so make use of it and enjoy your birthday. I love you so much, so very much, and I shall be always there with you, even though I'm not physically available, but I love you and I shall be there with you. Thank you.
Hey Sadi, wish you a very happy birthday, dear. I love you. May God bless you. See you today, tonight. Machayenge with hookah, yay!
Hello, happy birthday pasta. May you enjoy your day. God bless you. Have fun. Enjoy your quarantine birthday. And इस बार मैंने 11th row का सोचा था, but quarantine की वजह से you missed it.
I guess I was 3 years old when this girl was born. I don't remember much about everything, but as a kid, I just remember I was so happy that I got a sibling. I was so happy that this girl was born, and I always wanted a younger sister. And I was actually the happiest person on earth, of course, after mom, dad. But then the 2nd of June 2000, Friday, this girl was born, and I really was so excited. I just wanted to hug her, and I wanted to hold her, cuddle with her. You know, I wanted to do all the sibling things. And then when I caught hold of her, you know, when I touched her fingers the first time, they were so little. And here it is, Sadia, your 20th birthday. I'm so happy. You are 20 years old. You're an adult. Just behave like one. You're not an adult yet. With all said and done, happy 20th birthday. I really know you as a very responsible and a very intelligent girl. Make life to your fullest, pasta, and enjoy it. Enjoy it. With all the responsibilities and the duties that come along. I love you a lot. A lot. And you're always going to be my first child. I love you.
Wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you. Have a nice day.
My sweetie pie, my little baby, my doll. I love you very much. For me, Sadia is my doll, who is never going to grow up. She's just going to be my chota sa pyari si Barbie doll. I love you, my sweetie pie. Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. I promise you, iPhone 11 भी जल्द जाएगा. For now, lots of good wishes, lots of love, lots of hugs, and lots of kisses. Have a super day. Have a super life ahead. I love you, baby. I can't say it enough. I just can't say it enough. I love you very, very, very much. Mwah.
You're not an adult yet.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे. बार बार दिन.
Hello, I wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. It's like an happy
Simbu, Sadhya ka birthday hai. Do you want to say something? What do you want to say? You want to say happy birthday? Okay, thank you.
We're going to dedicate this song to you. A song which really will, make you understand how much we love you, what we feel for you. You, my sweetie pie, just our emotions are put in this song. Okay, this song special for you. 1, 2, 3.
इश्क इश्क करना है कर ले, इश्क इश्क में जी ले मर, इश्क इश्क है सबसे प्यारा.
You missed it.
Okay, Sadia, so
See you soon. Bye.
Sadia's birthday.
Hookah, yay!